Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about bread savings. This is a really interesting topic that I've been thinking about a lot lately, and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever heard of bread savings? If not, don't worry, I'll explain everything. What is bread savings? Bread savings is a simple way to save money over time. It's based on the idea that you can save a little bit of money each day, just like you would put bread aside for a rainy day. Here's how it works. Choose a denomination of bread, such as N10 or N20. Each day, put that amount of money aside in a jar or envelope. At the end of the month, you'll have saved a significant amount of money. For example, if you save N10 a day, you'll have saved N300 by the end of the month. If you save N20 a day, you'll have saved N600. The benefits of bread savings. There are a number of benefits to using bread savings. First, it's a very simple and easy way to save money. You don't have to track your spending or make any complicated calculations. Second, bread savings can help you build discipline and consistency. By saving a little bit of money each day, you're developing good habits that will help you reach your financial goals. Third, bread savings can be a great way to save for a specific goal, such as a down payment on a house or a new car. How to get started with bread savings? Getting started with bread savings is easy. Just choose a denomination of bread and start saving. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Choose a denomination that you can afford to save each day. Find a place to store your money, such as a jar or envelope. Set a reminder for yourself to save each day. Track your progress in a notebook or on a spreadsheet. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to help you make the most of your bread savings. Set a goal. Decide how much money you want to save and by when. This will help you stay motivated. Make it automatic. If you can, set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account each month. Don't give up. There will be times when you want to break your savings streak. But don't give up. Just keep saving, and you'll eventually reach your goal. Bread savings is a simple and effective way to save money. It's a great way to build discipline, consistency, and reach your financial goals. If you're looking for a way to save money, I encourage you to give bread savings a try. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new about bread savings today. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be back next week with another video. In the meantime, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips.